Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the garage. This is a takeover of Chase Performance. Today we're unboxing an engine intake for my 2016 Audi A4. So we picked this up from ECS Tuning. We will leave a link in the description below. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we've got here.
What is that?
So here we have the intake tube. And next up is the pre-filter / water shield. Third out of the box is the filter assembly. And after that we have some cleaning instructions for the filter. And last but not least, the small parts bag, which contains the installation manual, turbo inlet hose, grommet seal, and hardware. And now we're going to see how to install all this crap.
Let's get out there.
Be sure to pull your factory grommet off the bottom of your airbox, and you use the standoff. They say to put it in the position that is closest to the frame, which is right there. So pull this off the bottom of your airbox. I'll show you where it came from real quick. If you compare it to the other side, you can see right there. So pop that guy off the airbox. Install this into here and put it in the front hole. Be sure when you take your mass airflow out of your actual sensor housing that you have, before you take it out, of course, T20 tamper-proof. And for those of you that don't know, tamper-proof means that there's a stud in the middle of the actual inside of the bolt. I'll show you the socket real quick, just in case. Go focus. Come on, focus. Anyway, you get the idea. A regular T20 will not work. It has to have that hole. Tamper-proof. Very important. Be sure to get your orientation correct. As you can see, that's correct. The opening needs to face towards the filter. See the small opening on the bottom? If you put that backwards, it's not going to be a good day. be honest here, this is the first engine intake that I've installed on an Audi, and I'm impressed. I don't have it clamped in. I just have it sitting on the actual standoff here that we put in for the grommet, and I don't know how well that comes up on camera, but it's there. That's impressive. Always forget the clamps. That's better. And we are installed. Got the boot on there. There's your pipe, mass airflow with connector, pipe going down, standoff there using the factory grommet. You can kind of see absolutely nothing up here. So we will come down, open grill, and voila, there is the filter there. There is still a water vapor barrier that little cover that goes over the filter that I am going to install on that, but I just left it off now so you can kind of see what's going on. Some kind of wider view. There it is. And now for the sound. Fresh.